Hey, welcome back. Today is December 12th, Saturday, and on this post, I'll be telling you about the overall crypto markets before diving into Uniswap, UniUSD. I'll be sharing with you my bullish and bearish case scenario for today, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market, and according to what I'm seeing on the charts, and see what has changed since last time. Before I begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're now giving away 4 free stocks instead of 3 upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please do also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I am purely sharing my own speculations, opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence for trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I will get to them a lot faster that way. Now, see what exactly is going on in the markets first. We do have Bitcoin dominance trending upwards, and the immediate resistances on Bitcoin dominance, which I have been talking about, are the daily 50 and the weekly 50 simple moving averages. If the candle closes on each of these respective time frames above those resistances, then it is a lot more likely that Bitcoin dominance will continue trending up. That would not be as good trading altcoins as if it was to trend down. Now, Bitcoin price action at about 18.8K, still ranging within that rising wedge pattern, which is good because if it does not pull back anytime soon, then I would not expect to see the shocks we have been seeing for the past 2 weeks on altcoin markets every time Bitcoin has a significant pullback. Now, let's take a look into Uniswap, UniUSD, and see what exactly has changed since the last time. So, since the last time we have spoken, I have talked about that that the Uniswap price action has broken out of this falling wedge pattern since it has been forming in September, and the measured target of that pattern was about $4.70 measured, and the price action actually went up to about $4.50. So in a case, I do consider that the price action has met that price target before it came all the way back down to about $2.90. Okay, now on the 12-hour time frame, I think it is most apparent that an inverse head and shoulders pattern could be forming, and I have personally loaded up on some Uniswap tokens at about the $3.15 level, which is very close to what it looks like to be the head of this inverse head and shoulders pattern. Now, on the 4-hour and 6-hour time frames, what is giving me more confidence about this is more likely to be an inverse head and shoulders pattern, or at least that this may be the bottom locally, okay, in the near future, is that because we had created a very low RSI reading right here. So this tells me if the price action was to come back the other way around, down, and create an equal or even slightly lower low on the price action chart, there is still bullish divergence possible, which could more often than not signal a reversal back up. Now, this is the same story on the 6-hour time frame, of course. So, and the immediate resistances that I'm seeing right now are the 4-hour 21 simple moving average and the 6-hour 200 and very fast approaching 6-hour 21 simple moving average as well. Now, if the price action is able to actually get above some of these resistances, that would give me more confidence that in fact this inverse head and shoulders pattern is forming as I was expecting. Now let's explore the bullish and bearish case scenarios. Bullish case scenario obviously for this inverse head and shoulders pattern to form and develop. Now the main resistance I am looking at is about the $4 level, where I am seeing quite a bit of resistance and from past trading history. Okay, I know that there's been some candles that's above the $4 level as well, but I think the $4 level is consensus because of if I can actually draw a trend line across a lot of these candle wicks I can actually connect a lot more wicks and candles at about the $4 level, and not to mention that it is a fib level. Now that is the bullish case scenario for the price action to hold this possible inverse head and shoulders pattern. Let's explore the bearish case scenario. Bearish case scenario was for this inverse head and shoulders pattern to not hold, of course. And I think some early warning signs would be if we get rejected at the 4-hour 21 simple moving average. That is the immediate resistance right now. If we get rejected here, I'll be a little more careful, even though I did mention that if we do come down lower, there is still possible bullish divergence that could play out. But I like to consider tighter stop losses. So if I actually get a warning sign, I may consider exiting out of my position sooner rather than later, and consider re-entering at a later time if things look right again. Now this concludes my very short analysis of Uniswap UniUSD. Let me know if you guys found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you guys did. Let me know your agreements, disagreements, feedback. I would love to hear them. Hope you guys match your risk carefully. And if you guys would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. I'll see you next time.